Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast that makes learning English easy and enjoyable. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into the world of prepositions. If you're just beginning to learn English, this episode is perfect for you because we'll explain what prepositions are, how they're used, and why they're so helpful in everyday sentences. So, what exactly is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. They help us understand where, when, or how something happens. Some common prepositions you might know are in, on, at, under, and between. Let's look at a few examples to make it clearer. If I say, the book is on the table, the word on is a preposition that shows the position of the book. Or if I say, she arrived at 5 p.m., at is a preposition that shows the time of her arrival. Another example is, the cat is under the chair, where under tells us where the cat is located. Think about how you might use prepositions in daily conversations. Imagine you're giving directions and say, the store is next to the bank. Here, next to is a preposition that describes the location of the store. Or, if you're telling a friend when to meet, you could say, let's meet at the cafe in the morning. Here, at shows place, and in shows time. Understanding prepositions is essential because they add detail to your sentences, helping you explain things clearly and accurately. If you're enjoying this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps other learners find our show and build their English skills. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to exploring more with you in our next episode.